Hey friend, hey, welcome back to my channel. This is our Black luxury hair theme. If you are interested in buying a pre-built hair store, click the link in the description. We do have vendors on hand who will ship the items for you, so you can launch today. Click the link in the description for more information. And this is how pre-built hair stores can help you start your hair business in 2026. But first, let me introduce myself. Hi, my name is Terry, and I am a Shopify web designer. For over about 8 years, I do design beauty websites or hair websites. So let's get straight into the video. Now, I do have 3 different themes available on my website. So it gives you some options. We have the pink theme, the black and gold theme, and the brown theme to pick from. And I also do have 3 different hair packages. I don't have just one pre-built website store. So the starter kit is pretty much if you already have a vendor maybe you want to use, you don't want to use our vendor, you just want the website and the pictures, the starter kit will be for you. If you want the boss kit where we can actually sync a couple of hair products or hair items, that is also for you, and it comes with a beginner friendly setup guide. And then if you want to go ahead and get the premium, which is our best package because it comes with 20 items sync and it comes with a sample of your choice, and we can even include a content hair plan to help you market your products in your business. And I do get questions about how much it does cost. I will always redirect you guys to my website, which is linked in the description box or the comment section, but here are the current prices just so you are aware. And if you want me to sum it up, pretty much what comes with the website, what's included, you get a fully designed Shopify website. You get a logo template. We don't do custom logos. The templates are already made, but you can pretty much add your name to the logo, which is what we do for you. The main footer menu, bundles, wigs, shipping, refunds will be done for you. We sync the items from the vendor as well, so you don't have to worry about syncing the vendor. We do it for you, or adding the items. And then of course we have learning guides and content plans to help you along the way, and even a sample if you get the premium kit. Now, a pre-built hair store is perfect for you if you don't have money for all the inventory. I don't know if you ever priced how much it is to buy bundles, wigs. It is expensive, okay? If you don't want to deal with shipping, this is the drop shipping method. The vendors ship the items out for you. If you can't find a reliable vendor, we've already found one for you, did the research. If you're not good at designing your own website, like I said, our pre-built hair stores come fully designed. The websites are designed on Shopify. And if you're not good at marketing, we already done the marketing strategy for you with our content plan. And if you're wondering how to purchase, you pretty much just click the link in my description or the comment section. It'll say start your hair business. You'll click that link. You'll pick which theme you want, which is the color of the website you want. Add that to the cart, check out, and then you will receive a text from me within 24 hours. So be sure to put your phone number on the order when checking out. And here is a helpful tutorial showing you how to pretty much view my website. If you want to view the pre-built stores, I do have demo stores examples on my website as well. If you want to view the other colors, just check the product description pretty much. This is what you can expect after purchase. We text you within 24 hours confirming your store name, which is the temporary domain name. We build your store. Yes, they are pre-built. Some people ask me, they'll say I didn't receive my store. Why isn't it in my email? And it's Fran, I'm sorry, but I still have to make the store. Yes, they are pre-built because I use my own templates, but it still take a few days. So the turnaround time now is 7 to 14 business days. And then once that's done, we send your store by email, which you will be notified by when it is complete. And then you can enjoy your hair boutique. So if you are interested in starting your own hair business in 2026, a low-cost method way, let me know down in the comments. I can answer any questions or concerns, and the link is in the description or the comment section pinned, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.